Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Dodge Challenger door with a dead battery. First, find the small, often overlooked keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It's usually concealed beneath a cap or integrated into the handle itself. Insert your physical key into this keyhole and turn it firmly to unlock the door. Once unlocked, you can open the door and access the interior of your Challenger, even with a completely dead battery. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly. Then, move to the front of the car and locate the secondary hood latch, usually a small lever or tab under the hood's leading edge. Push or pull this latch to fully release the hood, allowing you to lift it open. With the hood open, you can now jump-start your Challenger. Connect the positive, or red, jumper cable to the positive terminal on your Challenger's battery or remote jump post. Then, connect the other end of the positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, attach the negative, or black, cable to the assisting vehicle's negative terminal and the other end to a good ground point on your Challenger, like a metal engine bracket. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for 5 to 10 minutes. After waiting, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. First, disconnect the negative cable from your Challenger, then from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally from your Challenger. Attempt to start your Challenger. Once it's running, ensure all electrical systems are functioning correctly. For those looking to simplify their week, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to keep you organized and prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.